For those of you looking for performance or high-end gel ball blasters, there's a couple sites here in the US that I recommend. This is one from one of them. It's from geltactical.com. Make sure you go to geltactical.com and check them out. This is their Lightning CQB gel ball blaster. You know, it's an M4 CQB. This is the Lightning brand. They even have some higher end ones there, all metal, full metal, really nice. So this is also really nice, all nylon gel ball blaster. So definitely better quality than what we're finding on Amazon. We'll take a look at it. We'll go through it. We'll talk about it. And of course, I'm excited to shoot it and play with it. So first off, it's got some similarities to the Jijing SLR that I have. Looks, very similar. Got a couple different things going on. And that's another good all nylon blaster. So I'm excited, like I said, to show you guys this one. Let's talk a little bit about everything that comes with. Of course, they still give you safety glasses. I recommend you wear those full masks that they offer at geltactical.com, or, some sort of goggles. Any of those things would be good. Now, they do give you some gel beads, but even the owner, Gel Tactical, will tell you any of the gel beads that come with the blasters, even the good blasters, don't use them, right? So just skip those and make sure that you got some nice gel beads to go with. And some good options for this one would be like the Ozgel Ultra Elites or the original Melky's hardened Melky's from Ozgel. And both of those, of course, you can get on geltactical.com. When it comes to soaking these, follow the same directions I've shown you many, many times, but use bottled water, okay? They definitely stress the importance of bottled water. Different parts of the country, there's different minerals, different chemicals in your water. These are kind of, grown and tested using a bottled water just so that you can get consistent size, because the inner barrel diameters on these better blasters are more narrow. There's less variance. So that means you want less variance in your gel balls as well. Okay. So keep that in mind. Of course, here's your magazine. It's going to fill it up right there. And when you're done, make sure it's empty. Shake any out. Push that little that's the little lock for the feed tube. Push that back, whip any out of there, leave it open, give it a chance to dry out. Okay, that is really important. And of course, this should be able to accept any of the M4 style drum mags, and they do have a nice drum mag at Gel Tactical. And when you're using these, it is nice to go ahead and have a nice speed loader like this that you can put your gel balls in and just get them right in there and load that up. Makes it a lot easier to fill those. I drop a lot of gel balls all over my garage, and then I end up using the blower or a broom and sweeping them all out. So it'd be easier if I just would go with that from the start. All right, for the battery, here's your battery, right? It is a 7.4 volt battery, right? And we do see with this one, it's 1300 mAh, so still pretty high capacity. We got a different style connection than we've seen before. So just be aware of that if you're going to switch any other batteries. Now, they don't endorse going to an 11.1 volt on this, so I want to make sure you're aware of that. That's not to say that it's not capable of it, but they don't endorse it. So if you do that, do so at your own risk, and don't complain or try to return your blaster if you have a problem with it, okay? Because they say specifically not to do that. So we'll check this out a little more. Obviously, your mag well's right here. Mag release, same place we're used to seeing it, right? Here's your charging handle. Okay. Do get some flip-up sights that come on it. And then, of course, your battery's going to go back here. So this is we've seen similar style stocks, but this is a really nice mechanism. You can just tell the quality is better on this blaster. So initially when I saw this, I'm like, oh, what? Do I have to unscrew things to get to the battery? No. This is a pretty cool design. You pull down here, and that comes off. So that clips off, and then you can see into the buffer tube. And this is where we plug our battery in. So you can even see like the reinforced metal wires. It's definitely a good quality blaster. We'll put this back in here. Tuck that in. Get that kind of out of the way. And then this should just slide back in place and lock back on. All right, so we got that in there, nice. Nice telescoping rail, that's cool. Of course, mag would just go in. Go ahead. Got semi-automatic and fully automatic. All right. So cool blaster, well made, nylon construction, pretty heavy duty, definitely feels very, beefy, feels good. Geltactical.com. This is the Lightning CQB. For those of you, CQB means close quarters combat. Again, because gel ball blasters, even the best ones, you're not going to have super long range accuracy. So a lot of the players, especially in Australia and stuff, they do what they call CQB, close quarters combat, where you're, kind of like urban warfare type stuff, where you'd be in more close range. And that's why this is a short barrel, shorter stock. That's what you're going to see when you see a CQB model. Again, go with a better gel ball. Go with like an Ozgel Ultra Elite. Go with the Ozgel Original Milkies, right? And use bottled water on them. Make sure you're wearing eye protection. All right, so check back. We'll do a demo. I'm excited to shoot this. Excited to see the FPS on it. And of course, please like. And I'm going to say it the cheese way, smash that subscribe button and share my channel with your friends and participate in the giveaways. Thanks.